Setting up a company in Singapore can be described in one word: simple. But here's the thing. While the process itself is straightforward, there are specific requirements you need to understand as a foreign entrepreneur. Hi, I'm Djon from Statrys. Today, I'll guide you through the steps for setting up a company in Singapore, along with what you need to know to keep it compliant once it's running. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the 4 key requirements for setup in Singapore. Number 1, you need a local director. Every Singapore company must have at least one local director, also known as a nominee director. They have to be a Singapore citizen, permanent resident, or hold a valid employment pass. Now, this isn't just a name on paper. This person has real legal responsibilities and can be held personally liable if your company violates local regulations. Number 2, you must appoint a qualified company secretary within 6 months of incorporation. They handle all your statutory filings, maintain corporate records at your registered address, and make sure you stay compliant. It's required by law, and you can't do this yourself from overseas. Number 3, you need a registered address. This is where the government will send official correspondence and regulatory notices. Number 4, you need minimum capital. The good news, this can be as low as $1 Singapore dollar. You can also have between 1 and 50 shareholders in a private limited company. Pretty simple so far, right? However, meeting these requirements is tricky for foreign entrepreneurs who don't reside in Singapore. The main issue, you won't have something called SingPass, the Singapore's digital identity system for accessing government services. Without it, you can't file incorporation applications or handle ongoing company maintenance yourself. That's why most foreign entrepreneurs work with professional service providers who can handle everything from incorporation and appointing nominee directors and providing company secretary services to ongoing compliance management. Once you've chosen a service provider, the actual incorporation process is smooth and usually takes just 3 to 5 business days, assuming all your documents are ready. Here's how it works. Step 1, reserve your company name. This happens through the Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authorities, otherwise known as ACRA's online portal called BizFile. It takes about 15 minutes if your name is available. But you should be aware that Singapore is picky about names. They'll reject anything that suggests government ties, might confuse the public, or include certain restricted words. So have backup options ready. Step 2, prepare your incorporation documents. This includes your memorandum and articles of association, director and shareholder details, and register office information. Your company secretary handles this, but you need to provide accurate details about your business activities, shareholding structure, and beneficial ownership. Basically, the identity of the individuals who ultimately owns the company. Step 3, submit everything through ACRA's BizFile Plus system. This requires SingPass digital identity, which we mentioned earlier. Another reason why you need a local service provider. Step 4, get your official documents. Once approved, you'll receive your certificate of incorporation and business profile. At that point, you're officially a Singapore company. And the first thing you should do is start applying for business accounts. We'll include a link in the description on how to apply for your business account. Now, choosing the right service provider is crucial for a smooth setup process. Look for comprehensive packages that include all the essentials: nominee director appointment, company secretary services, registered address, and ongoing compliance support. If they can also help with business account setup, even better. It'll save you time later. Budget-wise, expect to pay between 2.3 thousand to 5.9 thousand USD for a complete first year package. That's fairly 3 to 8,000 Singapore dollars, depending on your provider and company structure. If you're interested in learning more about our Singapore company registration and business account services, we'll include a link in the description. Setting up a company is just the beginning. After setting up, you'll need to make sure you stay in compliance. Fortunately, Singapore's company compliance is systematic and predictable, making it easy to manage if you understand the requirements. Annual obligations include ACRA annual return filing, estimated chargeable income filing within 3 months of financial year end, corporate tax return by November 30th, and annual general meeting, though small companies often qualify for exemptions. Monthly or quarterly requirements depend on your business size and activities. GST registration is only required if annual turnover exceeds 1 million Singapore dollars. Keep in mind that if you miss deadlines, you will face fines. This is where working with a professional services provider can help you avoid trouble by handling your statutory filings, basic accounting, and ensuring compliance with regulations. As I said at the start of this video, setting up a Singapore company is simple once you understand the requirements and partner with the right professionals. The process is designed to be efficient so that foreign entrepreneurs like you can get set up and operational in no time. As Statrys, we offer Singapore company registration services and can help set up your company in less than 5 business days. Our full suite of services includes company registration, but also business account opening, ongoing compliance support, and dedicated account management. If you're a foreign entrepreneur needing help to set up your Singapore company entirely online, visit Statrys.com and click Get Started to begin your incorporation process. Or contact us directly at support@Statrys.com. You can also reach us through live chat on our website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.